Hey Nancy and Art, I'm just sitting in the garage hanging out in my happy place, letting Blitzy get used to his new garage, and just hanging out. And hey Blitz, you want to say hi to your aunt and uncle, and your brother, and your sister Kelly, and your brother John? What's going on, Blitzen? Yeah, you got a big backyard to play in now, don't you? Yeah, you do. Got a big backyard. Going on tour. He loves to explore over in that part of the yard. He's waiting for me. He wants me to come over. So I've been watering the garden today, and Blitzen's been just exploring the yard. That's the corner of the yard where he could see Ethan's car. And he keeps going over there to look for Ethan. Wants his daddy to come back. And it's very heartbreaking, but at the same time I know that Blitz has a really good life here, and he's been going through far, far too many upsetting changes lately. And here, as he settles in, he'll have calmness and stability and the sameness from day to day. No upsetting surprises for Blitzen anymore. Blitz and I shall share our lives. And I think he's primarily going to be Kyle's dog. He adores Kyle and would rather spend time with Kyle than me, but that's fine. He's still my friend. Yeah, he's going exploring into the back nether regions. There's there's a chipmunk that lives under that pine tree. Kind of curious to see if Blitz will find him. He already knows there's something up under there. Something fascinates him. That's Blitz. Walking the perimeter of his new yard like Poppy did. Poppy ended up wearing a dirt path all the way around the perimeter of the yard from running the yard on guard duty. Take care, guys.